Okay, just to add a memory channel, so just push P2 here and hold it. It's flashing now, red. Turn it to a free channel, which will be, well, yeah, it will be flashing red. Blue is full, so let's do it there, and then just hold down the P2. You've got a memory channel in there. Let's add another one. So if we go to the B section, if I remember how to do that, P1 to go to B. Let's say we want to add that to our memory, so we'll hold down P2. Go to number 2, I think. Hold down memory. Job done. If we go back to VFO mode, we can add, let's add one for, let's push it again. No, I haven't got anything else to add, but that'll do. That gives you an idea. 7.3, all the best.